Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be getting rid of the factory muffler on our 2019 2.0 Camaro and swapping it for the Flowmaster American Thunder axle-back exhaust system. This system will give us that classic American Thunder sound and fill out the rear with its large 4-inch polished stainless steel tips. Another benefit behind the system is that it will clean up the back half of our car by getting these smaller mufflers in place. Now this car will have a slightly different sound since we do have a high flow catted downpipe, but other than that, the exhaust is all stock. For the installation, we are going to have to cut the factory exhaust. Mark the factory system 1.5 inches from the back of the factory cross member. This will be where we will make our cuts to the factory system. Using a sawzall, carefully cut the factory system on the points that were marked. Remove the 4 retaining nuts holding the tip brackets to the body of the car. There are 2 nuts on each side we will have to remove to loosen the brackets. Remove the rubber exhaust hangers from the factory muffler. This will loosen the muffler and it will drop from its location. Be cautious when loosening the muffler. Once completely loose, carefully lower the muffler assembly and remove the tip brackets for use with the Flowmaster system. With the Flowmaster system, install the provided clamps before installing the mufflers. Then slide the muffler assembly in place. Mount using the factory tip bracket and slide the factory rubber hanger onto the Flowmaster muffler. Repeat this process for both muffler assemblies. Once both assemblies are in place, make any necessary adjustments to get the tips perfectly aligned. When done, tighten down the clamps and reinstall the retaining nuts to the tip brackets. And just like that, guys, we have now installed the Flowmaster American Thunder axle-back exhaust system to our 2019 2.0 Camaro. The painted and small mufflers clean up the back half very well when compared to the large factory muffler. Also, the 4.5-inch polished stainless steel tips fill out the diffuser very well. Time to get this car off the rack and get some sound clips.